Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Welcome back dito sa ating channel. Z here. I'm back with another video to share with you all. Pero bago tayo magsimula on our topic for today, I will really appreciate if you will now like this video and don't forget to subscribe dito sa ating channel para palagi kang updated sa mga bago nating videos. Alright. So we are here in OpenOcean.finance. So I will teach you on how to use this platform for you to be eligible on the upcoming airdrop mga ka-Zkers. So you need to open this website on your Trust Wallet browser and make sure to choose the right network mga ka-Zkers, which is the Binance Smart Chain. Alright, so OpenOcean is a trading platform mga ka-Zkers, which is similar to Uniswap, JuleSwap, or 1inch or PancakeSwap mga ka-Zkers. And right here on their menus mga ka-Zkers, makita nyo yung Pro and then Classic. So yan, yan yung two lines sa gilid, no? So Pro, may Classic, tapos yung API and Docs under Blog mga ka-Zkers. So yan yung menus nila or menu bar. So dito, makikita natin OpenOcean is a decentralized full aggregation protocol mga ka-Zkers. So there are two categories dito sa kanilang platform. So there are two, which is the Go Pro and then the Go Classic. So later on we will discuss one by one mga ka-Zkers kung paano gamitin yung Go Pro tsaka itong si Go Classic. So dito sa baba makikita natin yung picture mga ka-Zkers, no? So there are the Go Pro and the Go Classic. So ito yung Go Classic, which is similar kay PancakeSwap, yung two tokens paired mga ka-Zkers, no, kung gusto nyo siyang iswap. So dito naman yung support chains, which is the ETH, the BSC, and ONT, and a lot more. And then dito sa baba yung exchange list, which is may ETH din network, which is the Uniswap, Balancer, Uniswap, and a lot more as well. So meron ding JuleSwap na dito sa OpenOcean mga ka-Zkers. And centralized exchange, the Binance, Coinbase, and the Rebit. And here below, makikita din natin yung news about OpenOcean and their roadmap as well dito sa baba mga ka-Zkers. So tapos na tayo dito sa 2020 since we are in 2021 na mga ka-Zkers. So dito tayo sa pinakababa. So ayan, so quarter 1, which is the continuous with cross-chain aggregator of swaps, and then the aggregates spot products on CEX and issues governance token. So yun yung governance token, which is the OpenOcean token or the OOE mga ka-Zkers. So na-mention nila dun sa kanilang Telegram group na they will conduct an airdrop by end of March or by end of quarter 1 kung sino yung gumamit ng OpenOcean.finance or sino yung gumamit ng kanilang platform. So you are only eligible for the OOE airdrop mga ka-Zkers if you use OpenOcean.finance. If you actually swap like BNB or any other token dito sa kanilang platform, then you are eligible for the airdrop. Alright, so you can explore their OpenOcean.finance website dito. I-open nyo lang dito sa inyong DApp browser sa Trust Wallet mga ka-Zkers. So dito naman sa FAQ or frequently asked question, you can check what is OpenOcean. So OpenOcean is a full aggregator that aggregates mainstream dexes on public chains and mainstream. So CEX says OpenOcean helps user to find the best price and lowest slippage possible on aggregated dexes and trade at the best price with one-stop transaction. So yan yung OpenOcean.finance mga ka-Zkers. So you can also check more FAQs dito sa kanilang website. So now let's use their platform mga ka-Zkers. So let's first use the Go Pro. So click natin yan and marotoy dito sa OpenOcean Pro. So dito makikita natin yung network, which is the BSC, and dito naman sa baba yung trading or swap the coins mga ka-Zkers, no? So yan. So yan yung exchange, which is the OpenOcean. So dyan natin isa-swap, which is pwede natin palitan yung token na ipipair natin dito mga ka-Zkers. So dito sa gilid makikita natin yung may auto paired with BNB. So may line dyan sa gilid yan. So click natin yan mga ka-Zkers. So after that is ma-rotate dito. So let's search on the token. For example, BNB. Ayun. And then paired with BUSD. So slash Hanapin yung slash and then BUSD. And there you go. So, click natin yan. Alright, and then dito may kita natin, no, BNB paired with BUSD na siya mga ka-Zkers. So dito naman mga ka-Zkers, kung i-click natin yan is maro tayo dito sa chart mga ka-Zkers, no. So we can check 5 minute, 15 minute, and 25 up to a day dito sa chart mga ka-Zkers. So dito naman yung may half moon tsaka sun dyan sa gilid mga ka-Zkers, no. So to change the background. So ayun, since connected na yung wallet natin dito sa OpenOcean.finance mga ka-Zkers, so makikita nyo dyan sa taas. So connected na siya. So dito naman sa iswap natin yung BNB paired with BUSD, for example 0.02 BNB. So isaswap ko siya into BUSD which is worth $5.38 mga ka-Zkers. So slippage naman which is 1%, kung papalitan nyo siya pwede din up to 3%, pero I prefer 1% lang. And then click on swap now kung gusto niyo na siya i-swap mga ka-Zkers. So before natin yan i-click mga ka-Zkers, makikita nyo din yung balance nyo dito sa inyong account dito sa baba ng slippage mga ka-Zkers. So ayun. So, isa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa OpenOcean platform mga ka-Zkers, may kita nyo dito yung sa gilid yung mga DEX, may iba't ibang logo na may Joule Swap, tapos may Pancake Swap. So, yan mga ka-Zkers, yan yung mga prices compared sa OpenOcean. So, that's actually the price of BNB comparing with other platforms. So makikita nyo mataas yung price ni OpenOcean, price or value ni BNB compared to any other platform like Joule Swap, Pancake, and a lot more mga ka-Zkers. So ayun, OpenOcean 1 BNB is $267. So pag okay na siya mga ka-Zkers, kung gusto na siya i-swap, isi-click natin yung swap and then makikita nyo yung order confirmation, and pag okay na lahat is click natin tong confirm swap, and maro tayo dun sa Trust Wallet to confirm or to approve the trading. So yan yung GoPro OpenOcean mga ka-Zkers. Now let's move on Go Classic. So click natin yan. So dito na tayo sa OpenOcean Classic. So napakasimple lang ng Classic, which is dito makikita natin yung swap tsaka yung exchanges, kung ano yung exchanges na gagamitin natin. So of course OpenOcean. So dito sa swap, ayun, balik tayo. So makikita nyo dito BNB paired with BUSD. So kaibahan nila kay GoPro mga ka-Zkers is hindi mo na makikita yung comparison on any other platform. So dito sa Classic is makikita mo lang kung how much yung value ni BNB into BUSD mga ka-Zkers. So pag okay na siya, gusto niyo na siyang i-swap, pag satisfied na kayo to swap BNB paired with BUSD, is i-click lang natin tong swap now dito sa baba. And then which is similar din, kailangan din natin to confirm our swap. Click natin tong confirm swap and maro tayo to approve the trading or the swap mga ka-Zkers. So ayun lang, dito din makikita natin yung rate per 1 BNB mga ka-Zkers. So pag okay na siya, so ayun, confirm swap na lang. So yep, kung saan kayo komportable gamitin yung platform ni OpenOcean mga ka-Zkers, either in GoPro or Go Classic, so nasa sa inyo yun mga ka-Zkers. So use OpenOcean.finance to swap or trade your token for you to be eligible dun sa kanilang airdrop by end of March or by end of Q1 this year mga ka-Zkers. And hope this video helps you in trading or swapping in OpenOcean mga ka-Zkers, and will keep you updated as well mga ka-Zkers kung kailan talaga yung airdrop nila. Alright, and that's all for this video mga ka-Zkers. Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next vlog. Stay safe. Daghang salamat. Bye for now.